welcome back to my channel. I just want to talk a little bit here. I wasn't able to get my garden, what I call, put to bed last fall because of so many things that were going on, and so it kind of got burned out and I just let it go. So the other thing is, with me getting older, I'm trying to do things a little different this year. I'm just going to do a little bit of stuff at a time. But right now I have broccoli and Brussels sprouts that I want to get ready to plant here. So I'm just going to put it down through this side of the fence. And so for now I'm just going to take the tiller and do what you call a top till. Just very roughly loosen the top of the dirt so I can get some of the grass down through here and get this ready to plant. So I'm just going to do a little bit at a time and not really worry about it. So usually I have all of this grass, and I usually have like 2 feet of leaves laying on top of it through the winter, and it just didn't happen. But you know, guys, that's okay. That's okay. Things always get done somehow.